Onpassive will be king, the biggest on the internet. Some people are still confused about the comparison of Onpassive versus MLM. I will explain this very briefly and I believe many will understand. Generally, an MLM company relies on your ability to survive. Onpassive does not rely on your ability to survive. Onpassive pays to promote you. And generally MLM company relies on you to promote them. We are not an MLM nor a network marketing company. We are a global business solution with artificial intelligence running a business on automation. MLM companies and network marketing companies come to us for an overall business solution to help them. For example, Mary Kay will come using our overall business solution after we launch for the public. Mary Kay has about 4 to 5 million network members. These people will join our networks of founders, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Every MLM company in the world will be using Onpassive to build their business. Those that get in before launch will be double winners because they will be founders, recipients of all the benefits afforded founders. Customers will gladly pay a monthly subscription to use the products to grow their MLM downlines. Founders will do the same but also share in the massive revenues generated while paying out of pocket only once. So, do you want to be kings? Do you want not only ordinary people, entrepreneurs, and companies in your networks, but also members of various MLM companies, which are large and increasing numbers in the world? All you need to do is register now as a founder. Please message me for more information. We are in it to win it. Don McIntyre. A Bill Must Production.